Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iOS software update pause error on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that your iPhone software update has been paused. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll in your control center and you have to make sure that you're connected to a strongest and a stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app. In settings, go to general, go to VPN Device Management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, go back and here go to software update section. In software update, you might see your software update if it's pending or if it has been paused. So you can see my update is downloading, but if your update has been paused, so you can easily fix this. Not to do this, you have to simply go back, go to iPhone storage section. So the very first thing you have to delete your downloaded software update here. So once you have deleted, you have to try to reinstall or re-update your software. So sometimes it might be that there would be any error with your software update. It might be a network issue and any storage issue. So your update has been paused. So you can fix this by restarting your software update. Now to do this, you have to go back, go to iPhone storage section, and very first thing you have to make sure that you have almost double storage in your storage section. Then your iOS update. You can see that my iOS update is almost 11 GB, so you have to try to free their minimum 20 GB here. So after this, you have to go to the search option and then simply search for iOS, and you might get the update named here. As you can see, there's update name section which is iOS 26.2. So just tap on it, then tap on delete update, then tap on delete update option again. It will completely delete the downloaded update on your iPhone. Then go back from here, go to software update section. You can see that my update has been stopped. So now I have to restart the download or restart the update. But I'm gonna go back from here. You can try to reset your network settings. Go to software settings, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select recent network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after doing this, you have to simply go back and just try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, you have to quickly press on this volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for the logo. And once you get the logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, just swipe up and unlock your phone. After unlocking, go to Settings app, go to General, go to Software Update. But very first, just try to connect with a stable and a strongest network connection to prevent issue next time. So you have to make sure that your internet is stable. It will not disconnect for up to 2 or 3 hours. Sometimes it might be that your update is large, so it might take 4 hours or 5 hours. So you just have to connect with the stable and the strongest network connection. Then go back from here and go to software update and just wait for the update until it's wait here. So once you have find the update, just tap on the update now option and there enter your iPhone passcode, and after that your software update will be restarted, so you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.